ओके, वेलकम बैक टू माय ब्लॉग हियर। अभी जो है हम आए थे पार्क में और ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे इधर, तो सोचे कि आप लोगों के साथ एक क्लिप साझा करें, शेयर करें और आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं। यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है। छोटा सा मतलब झरना है, झरना नहीं मतलब थोड़ा सा बस पानी का यूं ही है। और उसके आजू बाजू में हमने कुछ देखा था आज से 2 वीक पहले। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं उधर और देखते हैं कि उधर क्या क्या है, और आप लोगों के साथ जो है ये क्लिप साझा करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और देखते हैं। चलते हैं हंटिंग पे, बेरीज हंटिंग। सो वी विल बी डूइंग सम berries. You're gonna find here wild berries. Oh wow, these people are all over here with their dogs. Okay, nice. So let's go. चलते हैं इधर और देखते हैं इधर क्या क्या है। इधर जंगल भी है और आपको देख के हैरान होगा। वो देखो, एक चिड़िया है बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी सामने पे, वो लाल एकदम, राइट। और अब आपको हम कुछ और दिखाना चाहते हैं इधर। यू गाइस गोना सी हियर दिस बेरीज। यू सी हियर दिस वाइल्ड बेरीज हियर। Woo! They are yummy as hell, man. They are really yummy. They have thorns, so I literally got in my finger here. Mmm. We're gonna find more here, and I'm gonna enjoy some berries here, man. And it's really good. You see here, it's really yummy. And you can see through this camera here in the back. They are really yummy. And I got one thorn in my finger here. Okay, so let me get a black one from here. Oh my god, which one is there? Let's get down here and let's see if I can. They're really sweet. Oh wow, here. Come on, man. Let's see. You gonna see this guy here. This black one here. Oh my god, come on. See this? It's pretty juicy. Oh yeah. You see this? My finger is red with this juice, this berry juice. And let's try another one. Okay, baby. Yeah, you see this guy here? They're really sweet. Mmm. Gonna go back here a little bit. Here, man. Oh wow. They're really sweet here. Oh my god, come on. You see this guy here? Oh no. Oh wow. So if you are in Austin, you should come to this park and get some wild berries for you all. I'm loving it. Fresh, as you can see. As you can see, my finger here is so juicy. You see? Wow, here it's so juicy. Let me get this one here from here. Wow. Okay, it's a nice adventure today. So we finally found it. Okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment what you think. These berries are really sweet. I want some sweet comments and I want your opinion. Okay. So I will see you next time in a new video, okay? And if you come to Austin, go and try these berries here. You can see it's all over there on the top. Woo. Okay, let's go. It's time for hunting for these berries, man. I wish. Oh, these are big ones here. There are big ones. Jesus Christ. These are big one, man. You see this? These are sweet, man. Wow. See this? Let's squeeze it. Jesus. See this? The water is red. My God. It's so sweet. Okay, as I walk over here, on the top over here, as I found more berries here. You can see these ones. Ooh. It's really juicy, black, red, you see. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy the berries here. Keep watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.